Alright, this morning we are doing the easiest smoker recipe you could ever do. We are going to do one of the little turkey roasts. It's 2 breasts pushed together. It's got a little bag around it. It's super, super, super delicious and super, super, super quick and easy. We don't need the gravy today. So here is your turkey breast. That's all there is to it.
They got like gizzard?
No.
The netting.
Yeah.
It's just threading it together?
You've never seen one of these?
No.
Dude, they're delicious.
No, I've never seen that.
Yeah, they're awesome.
And I've eaten hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pounds of ground turkey, so.
You will like this because you can do it in a crock pot as well.
Oh, see? Well, why are we making that video?
Because it is actually so much better on a smoker.
That's fair.
Valhalla Skull original seasoning. Give it a light little season all the way around. Just make sure you get all the surfaces real good. Just like that. And just like I said, a light seasoning is all you need. Alright, let's go to the smoker. Alright, we got the food truck inside today because it's pouring the rain. But just before anybody freaks out and thinks we're going to kill ourselves, we do have 3 giant bay doors open where we got fresh air. So the smoker is set at 225 degrees. Here. Put our turkey breast directly on the rack. Put that under there to catch the juice. Get our probe in. We're going to let this cook for about 3 hours to get the smoke. Then we're going to wrap it and bring the internal temperature up to 170. We should be ready to eat. We should be ready to eat. All right, we hit our 170 internal temperature, wrapped it, and now we have let it sit in a cooler and rest for 2 hours. So we are ready to eat. Just come in here.
The mods of our barbecue have been displeased.
Can't believe you've never had one of these.
I never knew this existed. I thought your ass brought home just like a whole turkey. Just like that. Ah. Looks good, nice and clean.
Alright, we're all sliced up. We're ready to dig in. We're going to use some of our Valhalla Skull Original. We will use this as a dipping sauce today. Hot damn. Son. Boy, you're going to try it.
Alright. This is your whole ass piece of it. Go in. Go in big. This is original or hot?
This is original.
Original.
Found a new favorite cut of turkey.
Oh, good.